Let me show you. Say hi, Christian. No, say hi, Willie. Say Merry Christmas. Why do you say everything with your teeth? What? What's that, dog? Uh-uh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's funny. What you doing that for? Let's see that. Let me see that. Hey, hello. Okay.
Thomas!
Choo-choo. That's Thomas.
Don't open his stuff to see it. He's gonna open himself.
No. Oh, Christian. Let me see that.
That's what you said.
He said he was riding his little bike over there.
He was.
Yeah,
He was
big
trying. If he, like, I think in a couple more months he'll be able to really pedal it himself. His legs just a little short, but it's not that small. I mean, it's not that big. So he just barely, he can put his feet on there, but it's hard for him to move them, keep them on there. So I think a couple more months he'll be good when he grows just a little bit more.
Thomas.
Now Thomas, he he was so good this weekend. He's so
Where
sweet.
you going?
Hey, you been out? Say I've been to a Christmas party at a hotel.